As dawn breaks, our breath comes alive. Whispering leaves where gentle winds thrive. Your laughter mingles with the sparrow's tune in this morning glow, oh, too soon. Holding on to moments so tender and bright in the whispers of the forest. Like with our hearts intertwined, like ivy and vine, sipping warmth, basking in nature's shine. In the morning light we rise. Through the trees I see your eyes. Coffee warms our hands unfazed. Nature's calm, our souls amazed. Together we belong in nature's song, where love and peace can't be wrong. The sun sparkles on the river's course. We stand united without remorse. In the symphony of nature's own embrace, love reflects on every face. In this sanctuary where whispers sing, our hearts as free as the wild gentle spring, interwoven in every breeze, live and true. Time stops, we don't hear. Each whisper of the forest speaks to a smile up with a serenade from the stars above. In nature's arms, the coffee's embrace, we're dreamers lost in a perfect maze. Around the campfire, we tell tales untold, where the warm breaths both brave and bold. And flames flicker and shadows dance, we find our rhythm in nature's romance.
In the quiet of twilight's linger, where the air is cool and tender, the soft breeze soothes the weary soul, whispers stories untold, meek in his soul. Under stars where the night is endless, but there's a whisper that the heart embraces. Sitting by the fire, time slows down. Nature's song is the quiet we found, warmth in the embers, peace all around. Rustle softly down the night's embrace. Every star a promise, a wish to trace. Listening closely to nature's gentle hum. In this moment, together we come one. Ember glow, memories in each flicker. In this quiet night, hearts grow richer. As dawn breaks, morning light gently spills. Nature stirs with the rustling quills. Birds awaken with a soft melody, in harmony with our coffee steam.
Stars above in a quiet sky, lanterns low as our dreams float by. Whispers in the night, mellow and kind, wrapped in nature's gentle vine. In the lantern's light, we find our way. In its glow, the world's far away. Crickets sing a soft lullaby underneath the deep velvet sky. Wood crackles with a sweet embrace. This peaceful night we find our place. In the lantern's light where dreams take flight. Time fades as we hold the night so tight. In the lantern's light we find our way. It's low, the world's far away.
Gentle morning light kisses the trees. Bird songs weave through the rustling leaves. The warmth of the fire, a tender embrace, guiding my heart to a peaceful place. Cup in hand, calm and free. Nature's song, my melodies. Crackling wood whispers secrets of old, the taste of morning, rich and bold. Surrounded by the quiet, wrapped in its grace, as the sun climbs higher, painting the space. Cup in hand, calm and free. Nature's song, my melody, a gentle breeze, symphony start. In this moment I am with nature's heart. With every breath, peace is my guide. In the heart of nature, as in nature's eye. Nature's eye. Nature's eye.
Wrapped in blankets of fire, a world so pure and bright. If there is can look up the guy again. Place for two father and his customer living. You know what you says apply, but don't let it understand. Once the seed that the truest breath. Sit beside the campfire, holding each other tight. Nature sings a lullaby, whispers through the trees. In this moment surrounded by peace and harmony. Together we'll find our way in the beauty of the day. Each moment feels like home in this world. We're never alone. Oh, wait, you make no valor. Then when you hear a revive, to see it was gone the free offer. But there's those who stay in the sky. That magic over silver sound, we'll find its door to steal by. Fortunes fall around us, we were here on time. Of mountains, our spirits take their flight. The river's gentle murmur, guiding us through the night. Thing that's always with us through the day. Yeah, hold me together, we'll find our way in the beauty of today. Each moment feels like home in this world. We're never alone. Nature's grace gives us wings to fly beneath the open sky, you and I. Feeling at one with the woods and streams, we drift like feathered leaves in playful dreams. Morning light, we find our peace by the whispering trees, where our hearts release. With every breath the world feels new and free. Together we sing in sweet harmony. Nature's grace gives us wings to fly beneath the open sky, you and I. Nature's grace gives us wings to fly beneath the open sky, you and I. In the cradle of the forest air, we find the joy beyond compare. Morning light, we find our peace by the whisper breeze. The open his wide knees, bears their animal in trees. Together the room will be hard and breeze.
最後までご視聴ありがとうございます。よかったらチャンネル登録をお願いします。